I've lived most of my life, but only today did I discover these 9 amazing life hacks. You'd better remember them well. 1. Here's a trick for you. Squeeze some toothpaste into the pan. Add a bit of dish soap and baking soda. Finally, pour in some vinegar and let it react for a while. Wipe it once with a dishcloth and your pan won't stick for a whole year. 2. Add dish soap to Sprite. Spray it on greasy stovetops and wipe it off easily with a cloth. Mix Sprite with white vinegar. Spray it on bathroom glass and the glass will stay shiny and fog-free. Add toothpaste to Sprite. Spray it on faucet water stains and wipe with a towel. It'll shine like new. Mix hand soap with Sprite. Spray on mold stains around the sink and the yellow and moldy stains will disappear. 3. Don't be silly and go to the jewelry shop to clean new jewelry. Sprinkle some salt. Squeeze in dish soap and pour in white vinegar. Let it dissolve thoroughly. Then rinse with clean water and dry it with paper towels. Your gold will look as good as new. 4. Add a spoonful of sugar into your kettle. Pour in a bit of vinegar. Fill it with warm water and bring it to a boil. After boiling, let it sit for 20 minutes. When you pour out the water, you'll see scale residues inside and your kettle will be clean and shiny again. 5. Here's another trick. Add some Coke and a bit of floral water. Squeeze in dish soap. Sprinkle baking soda and pour in vinegar. Start the washing cycle to give your washing machine a bath. You'll see just how dirty it really is. 6. Squeeze toilet cleaner into a plastic bag. Add dish soap. And here's a great way to remove bathroom water stains. Rub the surface hard with the plastic bag. Then rinse with water and your glass door will be sparkling clean. 7. Here's another tip. Cut off 1/3 of your leftover cilantro. Take an old bottle and cut it open. Scoop a spoonful of sugar into it. Add some water and stir well. Invert the bottle top back into the bottom part and put the cilantro roots inside. Just keep the water level above the roots. That way you'll never run out of cilantro. 8. If you have a fridge, you must learn this trick. Put some tea leaves in a bowl. Add baking soda. Then pour in some liquor and finally some vinegar. Leave it in the fridge for a day. When you open it again, all odors will be gone. Your fridge will stay fresh for 3 years. 9. A trick I only learned after 88 years. How to peel yam. Stick chopsticks into the yam and peel it normally. No more itchy hands.